Hey, good morning, everybody. This your boy Titus, Pick3 Lottery guy. I just want to come up here this morning to give y'all some tips and some suggestions on what you probably could or may pay today. All right. So this video right here is all about giving you a tip on what you might have missed or how you could have got a hit yesterday and on August the 4th. And then today, some projections on what I think possibly could hit some way in America. Now, remember, these videos are only for entertainment purposes only. The numbers that I give out, you play those numbers at your own risk. And remember, this is the Pick3 Lottery Guy channel. If you're not a member of the Pick3 Lottery Guy channel, make sure you go hit that subscribe button so you can get these amazing numbers that I give out every couple of days or a few days out the week. All right. Remember, the monthly numbers that I gave out in the monthly number of August predictions list are hitting all across the country. So let's get them hits. Congratulations to everybody who got that hit yesterday off the monthly list. All right. But hey, let's jump into this video so that you can get these tips and get these projections. All right. So yesterday in the state of New York, there was a hit, and I'm gonna show you how you could have got it. So on the 3rd in New York, in the state of New York, in their night draw, there was a hit of 709. I took that 709, dropped that 709 in a 1, 2, 3 and a 3, 6, 9 workout. I want to show you guys both workouts. Now remember, they're gonna pretty much have the same numbers, but in different orders. All right. But in those same orders, you're still going to have what we call key boxes. All right. You're going to have key boxes in both of them. So if you're just using one, you might miss a hit. If you're just using the other, you could potentially get the hit. All right. Remember, key boxes are where mirrors and double numbers intersect. All right. So we go through here and we look for a mirror. 8 and 3, those are our mirrors. 6 and 6 is our double. And we just draw some lines right around that area. 8 and 8 is our doubles. 6 and 1 is our mirrors. All right, those are our boxes. Okay, now we come over to the other workout and we do the same identical thing. 0 and 5 mirrors, right? 0 and 5. Hope y'all can see that on the mirror chart. Those are our mirrors. 4 and 4, right? Those are our doubles. 0 and 0 are doubles. 4 and 9, right? 4 and 9 are our mirrors. Now, from there, remember, I look for repeat numbers. I look for doubles, things of that nature to build my list when I'm doing my list. But for this video purposes only, I want to draw your attention to your key boxes. So for your key boxes, you can make combinations of numbers out of those boxes. All right. So say you want to come in here, you might do 6, 8, and 1. Let me get a different marker so you can see it. You might want to do a 6, 8, 1. You might want to do even 1, 8, 8, right? All right. Or you come down here, you see a 3, 8, 6, 3, 8, 6, all right? And then you also see things like 3, 6, 6, right? You come over here, do the same thing. You see 0, 4, 5, and then you can also see 4, 0, 4, 0, 4, 4 right there, right? Come down, you see 409. Now, as you can see, you can build numbers right out of those key boxes. And then you have the numbers that go through the key boxes as well that you can also play. So right here, you got your 6, 8, 6, and you got your 1, 8, 1, all right? And on this side, you got your 9, 4, 5, and you also have your 4, 4, 0. See, that goes right through your key box. Now, for time purposes, I think you guys don't know what hit. So last night on 8/4 night, New York City had a hit, or New York State had a hit of 8 or 386. As you can see, that 386 came right out of that key box right there. All right. And it's, guys, you can just play certain strategies. All right. And this tip is be consistent with your strategies. Have a couple of different strategies that you are looking for to help you get your hits. All right. Remember to use your mirrors and your flips and things out of these boxes. And if you do that, you should be able to get some hits just off of just paying attention to your boxes and the numbers coming off of your boxes. And like in Texas right now, a lot of their hits are coming straight out of the base numbers. So people in Texas, I want to give y'all a hit. Make sure y'all paying attention to your base numbers. Those hits, 2 hits came out yesterday directly out of base numbers. All right. So I just wanted to give that tip out. I hope it helped you. If it helps you, let me know in the comments. Say, hey, T, that really helped me, man. I got that hit because of that. All right. And as you know, it's a new month. So all those who was getting the hits last month in Florida and Georgia, we own the Texas and New York. All right, we own the Texas and New York in August. So for Texas, I like 091, 318, 514, 719, 005. New York, I like 873, 161, 735, 645, 104. Hot numbers. And the hot numbers are already hitting. 102, 813, 719, 858, 094. And from my home state, South Carolina, 591, 732, 208, 523, and 320. All right, guys. Hey, these numbers that I came up with, my bad, and the Cash Pop / Pick3 number. For the day, I like 5, 8, 11, and 15. All right. And 15. All right, guys, take a screenshot of these numbers. All right. It's August the 5th, 2025. These numbers that I came up with today. Remember, you play these numbers at your own risk. If you're not a member of the Pick3 Lottery channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button. So every time I come out with these tips and come out with these lists, you are one of the first people to receive them. All right, this your boy Titus, the Pick3 Lottery guy. And like always, baby, let's get some money, baby. Let's get some money.